warm welcome to the world of Claymoore Canal holidays. Fancy escaping the stresses of modern-day life whilst enjoying time with family and friends? Claymoore Canal holidays can make it happen. A boating holiday is a unique way to explore our towns, villages and countryside. And with a speed limit of 4 miles per hour, rushing is not an option. Your floating home is available for weeks or short breaks, and our friendly, knowledgeable staff will advise you on routes, operating your boat safely and navigating the waterways. It's a great value holiday option too. 6 people sharing a boat during school holidays can cost as little as £30 per person per night. So, choose a holiday with a difference. Call 01928 717 273 or visit our website www.claymoore.co.uk.